What's up, MarineMax friends and family? This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax. As you can see today, we're going to be taking a look at the Crest Continental 250. This is a super sharp boat. You're going to have your black metallic design on your fencing, as well as your tan interior. It's going to give this boat a super rich look and really going to stand out on the water. Here for propulsion, you're going to have a Mercury 300, which is going to be plenty of power to do anything you're looking to do out on the water. And making our way up into the boat, you're going to see this is going to have a gorgeous swim pool ladder design with your telescoping steps. Going to give you easy access in and out of the boat. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to have a great sun pad seating area here with an electronic switch that's going to allow you to lay this backrest down and give you a full length sun pad. Making our way into the cockpit, on your port side, you're going to have a wraparound bench seating area, which really going to maximize your seating capacity and allow you to bring anybody you're looking to bring out on the water. Plenty of cup holders, speakers throughout the boat. As you can see, they really upgraded the interior with the fiberglass backing on both the co-captain and the captain's chairs. Full wraparound fiberglass helm design in this Continental, along with your full-length windshield that's going to allow you to have a super conversational cockpit and allow you to hear each other even while you're underway. Here at your helm, you're going to have a full-length Garmin display, which really cleans up your dash, lighting remote, as well as cooled captain's cup holder and wireless charging. Making our way up into the bow, you're going to have some in-floor storage, great for storing anything you're looking to store. A midship table, which is great for entertaining. And here at the bow, really maximizing your seating with these long full-length bench seats. And as you can see in the Continental, they really upgraded the interior with the great stitching design, as well as the two-tone interior upholstery. If you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax and learn some more. Thank you.